In this video I will discuss about 6 popular exercises you should replace for better muscle growth. Fitness pro tips. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of weightlifting and discussing 6 popular exercises that you might want to reconsider for optimal muscle growth. So, let's get started. First on the list, we have squats with a small range of motion. While they can potentially improve your mobility, they may not be the best choice for building muscle or strength. Instead, opt for full-range squats or other squat variations to target your glutes more effectively. Next up, the barbell bench press. Yes, you heard it right. It's time to consider alternative exercises like dumbbell bench presses or cable bench presses, as they tend to cause less shoulder issues and promote better upper body development. Moving on to leg presses, another exercise that might not be your best bet for muscle growth. Consider switching to Romanian deadlifts or hip thrusters instead, as these exercises are more effective for building strength and size in your posterior chain muscles. Now let's talk about standing calf raises. While they might be good for mobility or as a warm-up exercise, they may not be the best choice for achieving maximum results with your calf workouts. Instead, try seated calf raises for a more effective workout. To wrap things up, seated dumbbell shoulder presses often result in a rounded upper back in individuals with poor mobility. Instead of this exercise, try standing overhead presses as a safer alternative that targets the same muscles while minimizing risk factors associated with injury. That's it for today's fitness tips. Remember, always listen to your body and choose exercises that work best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness advice and information. Stay fit and healthy.